Age under the law is 18 years, both under international legal instruments as well as our national laws. So anybody who is up to 18 years that is declared as a marriageable age has the right to form a family. And when you are embarking on that celebration, you must ensure that it is registered, and the essence is to give it legal recognition under the law. So that is why you go to the registry, you give them notice of intention to marry, you give them all the details where and when you want to celebrate that marriage. It must be written. That is why you also fill out and sign the marriage register. These are ways of conforming with legal provisions as well as compliance with the law. For us in Nigeria, we have the Matrimonial Causes Act, we have the Marriage Act, we have the Matrimonial Causes Rules. These are laws that regulate issues with respect to matrimonial causes: marriage, dissolution, maintenance, separation, child custody, and all of that are all divorce proceedings, separation and all that. They are all contained in these laws. Under the Protocol to the African Charter on Human and People's Rights on the Rights of Women in Africa, provision is made with respect to monogamous and polygamous marriages. The law encourages monogamy, and that is why we have marriages under the Act, and that it should be encouraged. Encouraging states to continue to encourage monogamous marital relationships. But that does not mean that women who are in polygamous marital relationships or polygamous marriages are not recognized under the law. Does not mean that they are not entitled to human rights. Does not mean that they should be treated with less attention. Does not mean that they cannot be treated with dignity or being deserving of respect and honor. The same rights that the woman who is married monogamously or under a monogamous kind of marriage is allowed to enjoy is also the same rights that you are entitled to as a woman who is in a polygamous marriage. The law says such rights belonging to a woman in a polygamous marriage must be protected and promoted. So it is in everybody's interest that we know these things. These things are not alien. They have been there documented years ago. But nobody is bringing these things to light so that people will know and become aware. Because when you become aware, you take better decisions. You take precaution when need be. Everybody is talking about the level of power and rights that women have abroad. It is still these laws that gave them or is giving them that authority or that power. Those powers or these rights are not given to women in order to undo men. These rights are not provided under the law to put women in a position where they are now going to compete with men. These laws are there because they know the situation that women generally are found in life. Mostly disadvantageous situations that they have to work so hard. They have to really struggle to come out of it and stand tall. And so the law is looking at it. Okay, we have to pad up life a little bit for these people, for women. Let's pad it up. Let's smoothen the path for them. Let us make the journey easy for them. This is Xivia Law Essence. Here we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself.